Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Miss Nona. My name is Afita Rapamudia. You can call me Vito. I want to tell you about it. Before it, I touched around the village and did takbiran until the evening and morning. After I played, I eating my cushion. After what went to some house for friendship. I stay in touch until the afternoon. I was invite my friend go to city Pasitan. I bought a lot of snacks and bottles. That's all farmer. Thank you. Content one day too. Bye bye. Yesterday. I eat and take photos with my brother. I go home to rest tomorrow. I and my family go to Magetan to my father's grandmother's house. I to stay in touch there. I eat opor too and eat canned cakes provided by grandmother. After me, I eating restaurant until the afternoon. I played volleyball with my uncle and her friends until sunset. I went home to my grandmother to sleep. Tomorrow, I go to my grandfather and continue my friendship to my uncle and my auntie house is bought durian by my uncle and bought by free tempe. After I went to my uncle's house, I went to Pachel style. Thank you. Well, we continue again to on day 3. I will continue my story yesterday. I finished eating, straight back to my grandmother's house, and I immediately cleaned to return to. In the afternoon, before I went home, I had lunch first. After lunch, I went home, and the lunch journey was very heavy, and I forced to fall from the car to perform prayers at the mosque. After the prayer, I ate fried noodles while enjoying the skinny finishing eating and I continued my journey to Pacitan. I arrived Pacitan in the afternoon. I was there eating fried chicken. After eating fried chicken, I continued my journey to my grandmother's house in Puno. Okay, we will continue again to day 4. Bye bye. My story yesterday. When I arrived in Funong, I was returning at my grandmother's house to sleep, and I continued my activity in the morning. I and my family invite my grandmother and grandfather in Punung to walk to beach. Around 1 o'clock, I and my extended family arrived at the beach and boarded my boat into the middle of the sea. While enjoying the view, after I boarded the boat, side in fit to photos on the hill, and ate Indomie. After I went to the beach, I continued my journey to Gandos restaurant. I ate tilapia fishing and drinking coconut. After I ate go home to play ball with my friends in Java. Thank you. We will continue again to day 5. Bye bye. I will continue my story yesterday. After I played ball with my Japanese friends, I went home to eat and rest. I was at night. I had made fried noodles and play games with my brother. My brother until late at night. After I felt sleepy, I was returning to continue to the next day. The next day, I was invited by my uncle and my aunt in Java to friendship to my brother's father's house. I had thanks to eat fish and tempeh and rice. After enjoying the food, I went to SBY Museum in Pacitan. I saw SBY Wargus on display in the museum. We counting again on day 6. Bye bye. Counting my story yesterday. After I went to the museum, I wanted to have lunch in the Bukit Indah Valley. I also played Time Zone in Pacitan. I played about 1 hour. After I played Time Zone, I went home to rest at night. Before I returned Bekasi, I played games with my brother until the last night because tomorrow I want to return to Bekasi. When I was late at night, I sleep to continue to the next day. I returned to Bekasi at 8 o'clock in the morning. Before I went home, took a photo with my family, Pacitan. For memories after, I took I took a photo of me back to Bekasi. We continue again on day 7. Bye bye. I will continue my story yesterday. Well, on the route returning to Bekasi, I stopped for a moment to the rest area for the Zuhr prayer and followed by Asar prayer. After I prayed at the rest area, I continued my journey. I slept in the car until 6 p.m. I was woken up for evening prayers and eating at the rest area. After I ate and prayed at the rest area, I continued my journey until Bekasi. I arrived at Bekasi at 11 p.m. I ate the McDonald's before I returned home. I arrived at my house immediately clean. I lifted my belongings from the chair in the house. I also rested for tomorrow. We counting again day 8. Bye bye. I will continue my story yesterday. After I rest at night, I continued the friendship in the morning to the relatives in Lido. I got there eating with ribs and fried chicken. After I had lunch, I played my Kalpon for while waiting for home. At 2 p.m., I went home with my family to my house rest at home for tomorrow. I will stay at the villa with my extended family in Bekasi. Tomorrow, I left at 7 in the morning to my grandmother's house in Bekasi to pick up to the villa. I went to the villa with grandmother, and auntie. I got there my mother cooked in the kitchen to prepare dinner. And I had dinner together in the living room. You came in again on day 9. Bye bye. I will continue the story yesterday. After I had dinner with me, I went out to go around the villa. After I went around the villa, I rested for tomorrow. On tomorrow, I will eat breakfast near the swimming pool. I finished breakfast at 9 a.m. After that, I went to the room was to go home. Before returning home, mother, auntie, and grandmother cooked fried rice to walk on the road. I came out the villa at 11 noon. When I wanted to go home, I turned out that the direction to Jakarta was closed one way up. I stopped by Mount Mas and my sister played cat while waiting for the route to open. I didn't feel like I played until the time of Zuhur arrived. We counted again day 10. Bye bye. I will continue my story yesterday, and this is the end of my story in 10 days. So, after I performed the Zuhur prayer, I returned to the car because the road down was open to me. Even down to return to Jakarta on the way. The stairs were jammed because from the top down. I just sleep. When I woke up, I was in Bekasi. Until in Bekasi, I went to a restaurant to eat before I arrived at the house. After I arrived at my house, I continued for the night. I went to my friend's house at night. I went to my friend's house at 8 p.m. Thank you for listening to my story.